Hello everyone, I am Joshi from IIHM Bangalore first year, and today I am going to show you how to do a perfect breakfast table setup. Table setup, one of the important things when it comes to F&B, it makes guests feel comfortable, approachable, and it's kind of attractive also. As you can see, I have done already for one cover. Starting from left, I have B&B plate, butter knife, fork, knife and spoon, and also a crown napkin fold, a butter dish, cruet set, badwas and sugar caddy with water goblet and tea saucer. Now I am going to replicate the same thing on the other side, starting with keeping dinner plate in between so that you can get a perfect measurement on the both sides. Now roughly keeping all your cutleries, afterwards we can arrange it how we want. Your knife, B&B plate with butter knife. Now I'll properly allocate it, keeping 1 inch distance from both the sides. Now we can actually remove the dinner plate so we can allocate it more properly. Same 1 inch distance for fork, for knife and for spoon. Keeping your water goblet right at the top of the knife. And your tea cup over the spoon. Now the ideology behind keeping the cup like this is, some people will tell keep it in 45 degree. I have a simple thing, is keeping the watch in mind, keeping the handle towards 4 o'clock. It makes you feel more easy. Now once the table setup is done, we can allocate it more properly, as we can see what is there on the other cover. At the end, keeping the napkin. That's all. Thank you so much.